In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack in Monday.com fast and easy. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless connection between two powerful tools, boosting your team's productivity and keeping everyone in the loop efficiently. Let's start with our first step. You'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Monday.com workspace where your profile photo is located. Clicking on your profile photo will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll select the Integration Center. This hub is where you can explore and manage all the integrations available on Monday.com, providing an opportunity to enhance your workflow with ease. Once you're in the Integration Center, you'll be presented with a variety of options. We're focusing on Slack today, so go ahead and find Slack from the list of available integrations. Clicking on Slack will take you to the Integration Setup page, where you can see a brief overview of what this integration can do for you. With Slack integrated into Monday.com, you can streamline your communications by automatically sending updates from Monday.com to the relevant Slack channels or users. After selecting Slack, look for the option labeled Add to Board. Clicking this will begin the process of linking your Slack account with Monday.com. If you haven't already logged into Slack on the device you're using, you may be prompted to do so at this point. Make sure to have your login credentials ready to make this process as smooth as possible. Granting Monday.com. The necessary permissions will allow it to post updates on your behalf directly into Slack. With your account connected, you'll now have the option to choose specific triggers and messages you want to post in Slack. This step is where the real magic happens, as you can customize which updates, assignments, or changes within Monday.com will prompt notifications in Slack. Consider what types of notifications are most crucial for you and your team, whether it's when a task is completed, a deadline changes, or perhaps when a new item is added to a board. Having these triggers set up will ensure everyone stays aligned without having to switch between tools constantly. And just like that, you've integrated Slack into your Monday.com account, making it much easier to keep your team informed and responsive. Remember, you can always revisit the Integration Center to tweak or add new triggers as your project evolves. I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your team collaboration. Thank you for watching, and do check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your workflow.